Numerous studies have been done on successful leaders, countless books written about meaningful and important leadership qualities. For today, one study has mapped out the top 7 leadership qualities. We are going to be talking about these 7 in the next few minutes. The top 7 leadership qualities that we're going to be discussing are: number 1, integrity; number 2, innovative; number 3, honesty; number 4, active listening; number 5, self confidence; number 6, visionary; and number 7, strong communicator. Which of the top qualities would you rate yourself as your strength? And which of these 7 would be your biggest area for improvement?